So YouTube, it's your boy Chris and we back with another video. So today I have y'all is short ribs, macaroni with baked beans mukbang. Now before you get in the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and click the notification bell down below so you can see whenever I post. Now yeah, y'all, your boy posted for y'all, man. You know what I'm saying? It's been 3 days, you know, and so I'm feeling like I should say 85%. You know what I'm saying? Not 100 yet, but 85%. So it's not too bad for the last couple of days. But I might not post tomorrow, but the next day I will. And then it's gonna be like every day, if I don't post tomorrow. So yeah, man, y'all know that now. Thank y'all for giving me 1.37K. I appreciate that, man. Give me to 2K. I'm almost there, man. Like I'm probably like what? Something like that, probably like 500 more or something. I don't even know. Yeah, I'm close around that range. So yeah. You see the baked beans right here? Get this thumbnail in. We about to go crazy. You know what I'm saying? Got the macaroni. Got the short ribs right here. You feel me? With some hot sauce, because you need some short ribs with some hot sauce. Can't go wrong with it. All right, boom, and boy got the Mountain Dew. You know what I'm saying? Mountain Dew, Liberty, chill. You know what I'm saying? Went to the wrong pipe a little bit. Not too bad though. Baked beans starting right now. Macaroni. I love the macaroni so much. Gotta be careful though, so don't spill on me. But how y'all doing today, man? Me, I'm doing great. Shoot, woke up, went to my grandma's house, talked to her, chatted up for a little bit. That's pretty much it. Came back to the house and watched TV all day. Basically just chilling after that. So that's what I did today. Nothing special. Y'all, I kid you not, this took 4 hours. The short ribs. My sister baked it. So, hold on. Little bone right there. So yeah. She made it. And it took 4 hours. That's crazy. Yeah, she started at 9:30. Now it's like 1. So yeah. Took a very long time. I'm full, y'all. I'm for real full. This was good, man. This was good. You know, I'm gonna sleep good tonight. Your boy Fua. All I got is a short rib. Y'all, I just want to thank y'all for liking and commenting and subscribing to your boy, because it was hard, man. Like, it was so hard, man, to get these subscribers, man. Like, it was hard. Very hard. I wouldn't say very hard, actually. Excuse me. It was like regular hard. So, I'm glad it's a little bit easier. So, yeah. I thank y'all for kept subscribing, liking, and commenting. So, I remember I had 0 subscribers, bro. Went crazy. All right. Done. Look at that, y'all. That is the bones right there. But yep, little bones. You hear me a little sniffering still, but it's not too bad. That was super good. Man, amen for that. Amen for that. That was good. That was good. So, yeah. I don't know what to say now. I'm gonna do my outro. And I'll see y'all tomorrow. Or if not tomorrow, it's gonna be for sure, the next day. So yeah. But there y'all have it. Short ribs, macaroni, and baked beans up. Before I end this video, like I said earlier, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and kick that notification bell down below so you can see whenever I post, y'all. I'm happy that I got a chance to post to y'all. You know what I'm saying? Your boy feeling a little bit better, 85%. Not too bad, man. Probably the next day or the next day after that, I'll be 100% for sure. So yeah, I love y'all. Thank y'all for giving me 1.37K. I appreciate that. Road to give me 2K subscribers. Give me to that. I appreciate that. But what else? That's it. So yeah, I'm gonna do my outro now. So make sure you stay safe, stay blessed, spread positivity in the air, because if you don't, bad things will happen to you. Like, for real. So yeah. Love y'all. Peace. Appreciate y'all. I really do. I love y'all so much though.